What's up, everybody? This is David, and I made this video because a few people have asked me how to trade, what should I invest in, what stocks should I buy, and my answer to that question is you shouldn't be investing in stocks right now. We all know what's happening in the world. We all know how this coronavirus has pretty much made people lose fortunes. There's a difference between investing in stocks and there's a difference between forex trading. I would rather put my money into forex trading rather than stocks, and there's a few key reasons. Okay, as you know, if I were to go to this article, when you invest in stocks, you need more money to play the game. I'm talking about a good amount of money, and the returns are rather slow. And on top of that, you are susceptible to things that aren't in your control, like the coronavirus, for example, right? Once the coronavirus came out, the markets just dropped. The markets dropped, and they dropped in at record speeds, and people lost fortunes, like I said, right? I was reading an article earlier that there was over 500,000 millionaires that were lost in the United States alone. So, why I recommend trading forex over investing into stocks, not to say totally stay away from stocks. I'm just saying don't put all your eggs in one basket, right? Now, if you can look at the size comparison between stocks and the forex market. So first of all, stocks is company versus company. Forex is currency versus currency, right? Not too long ago, Forbes released a article saying that the forex market is now a $6.6 trillion daily industry. The stock markets move close to $20 to $30 billion a day. So the forex market is a lot larger, and it completely outweighs the forex market, right? Think about it. Forex market, currency against currency. Pretty much without money, the stock market wouldn't even exist, right? And the differences between stocks and forex is with forex, you don't need a lot of money. You can open up an account with, as small as $10, $20, depending on some brokers, right? And you have more leverage. You have more buying power. It's basically borrowed money you can use to place trades to make bigger profits. You can over leverage your account, especially if you're a skilled trader and you get that perfect entry. You can turn a $10, $20, $30 account into who knows what, rather than, investing into stocks at a couple $100 a share, and you need multiple shares to actually see a profit. So, like I said, this coronavirus just completely threw the markets upside down, and people lost fortunes. Millions and millions were lost. And with forex, you can actually short the markets. So you can buy currency when it's going up in value, and you can sell currency when it's going down in value, rather than investing into stocks and just buying and holding and just hoping that it stays above where you bought it at. If you feel that the market is reversing, you can capitalize on that with forex trading. So, with forex, you can trade euros, pound, Swiss franc, Japanese yen, New Zealand dollar, US dollar, Mexican peso, any combination of currency you can trade, right? For example, Euro USD. If I were to feel like the market is going up, I can buy and I can capitalize. If I were to feel like the market's dropping, I can sell and I can also capitalize on that as well. So no matter what's going on in the world, no matter if we're in a recession, no matter if we're at war. No matter who's in office, who's president, no matter what, you can profit in these forex in the forex market, right? So with this whole coronavirus thing, the value of the dollar shot up. It got more expensive, right? Meanwhile, stocks dropped because people are in fear. They're taking out their stocks. Companies are getting shut down. People are going out of business. People are being laid off. Why would you put your money towards something that is a victim to think that you? Why would you put your money into something that? Let me rephrase this. Why would you put all of your money into something that is susceptible to manipulation? Is susceptible to economic crisis? No matter what's going on in the world, there's always going to be certain prices for certain currencies. And you can capitalize whether the market goes up and whether the market goes down. So, just like in stock trading as well, you can open up a practice account so you can learn safely, risk-free, so you don't have to invest, right? Depending on some brokers, they can let you trade gold, commodities. You can even trade stocks. The smallest amount that I can place on a trade would be 10 cents per pip. Just like the market moves up and down points, in the forex market, it moves up and down pips. So let me go ahead and break this down to you, right? Like I said, the smallest amount that I could place on a trade is 10 cents per pip. So if I load up a $50 account, and if I were to catch this move to the downside, this would be around 747 pips, right? Let's just say the market moved up, and let's just say the market dropped 100 pips. Okay, 100 pips. It's at 99.7, but let's just say it's 100, just for simple math purposes, right? The market dropped 100 pips overnight, and if I were to place a trade of just 10 cents per pip, and I went to bed, and I woke up, and the market dropped 100 pips in my favor, I would have made $10 profit. The next person could have put $1 down per pip. And if we caught the same 100 pips at $1 per pip, that would be $100 profit. If the next person put $10 per pip, and they caught the same 100 pips, that would be $1,000 profit. So, during this whole coronavirus thing, Euro, USD, the Euro's gained strength of about 473 pips. So while the whole world is going to shit, where everybody's losing fortunes, if you would have bought Euro USD at $1 per pip, you would have made $473. If you would have bought $10 per pip, that would have been $4,730 profit. So this is why I would say, not to say to not invest in stocks, do both. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Because just like this coronavirus BS came out and affected everybody's money, who's to say something like this will never happen again? So, in my opinion, screw stocks, trade forex, because you can short the markets. Even on an economy's downfall, you can still be profitable. You should be trading. Follow me on Instagram at Forex All-Star. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Reach out to me through DM. Let's get you plugged into our group chat. We trade live. We call out signals. And we all profit together. Everybody eats.